Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Hiluckey 25000 milliamp hour solar charger power bank portable charger. The top of the packaging has solar charger, power bank portable charger written on here so that we know what's on the inside. The top is just blue. This side is just blue. We can see that it has solar charge, high capacity, fast charge, universal serial USB, and an LED flashlight. There's just some information about the recyclability here. On the back side, we have a warning that tells us that we shouldn't pierce the power bank. We don't need to place it in water, fire, or high temperatures. And we have information about the manufacturer. Okay, so inside the packaging, we have this image on here for power your life, power your work. And there's some items that can be powered with the power bank. It comes with the user manual. The power bank itself is protected in this wrapping. And we have a USB cable. The user manual has some information about the product. The USB cable has a standard USB-A to a micro USB. This can be used for charging the power bank. The top of the power bank has the solar panels, and this is a leather case. And it has this button on here so that it can stay collapsed. So if you take the button open, this will fold out and it'll reveal all 4 solar panels. Once you're done charging, you can then fold that back up and it's going to just button to stay right in place. On the side, we have the indicator to indicate the power level of the power bank. On the back, we have a light in the power button. The light can be turned on so that we have a strong light. You can put it to this mode where it flashes in the SOS pattern, or you can put it to where it is rapidly flashing. On the back of the charger, we can see the brand, the Hiluckey. We know that this is a solar charger. We see the model number and the battery capacity of 3.7 volts and 25,000 milliamp hours and 92.5 watt hours. We have the input voltage and amp and the output voltage and amperage. And we also have a warning on here. This side, it has a cover so that you can not have your charging micro USB input exposed, and you have 2 USB outputs so that you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. The top just shows the material on here. Then we have the back side where the spine is. You can see the LEDs that light up blue to indicate the charging level. The size of this is about the size of my hand, including my fingers. It isn't too heavy, so it can easily be thrown into a backpack. You can feel the leather that's keeping the solar panels enclosed. The material on the back is robust and sturdy, so this is perfect for some type of rugged excursion.